Welcome to my channel. I'm Idress there. Today we're gonna discuss Plato's view on the poetry. Plato was idealist, and as an idealist, he disapproves the poetry and tells that poetry is based on the falsehood. Poetry is the mother of all the lies. He also disapproves the poetry. First, he told that poetry is twice removed from the reality. The second, the writer write a poem all by sudden. He is not thinking for a long time, and poetry is not a practice. And if he is not thinking for a long time, a sudden thought comes in his mind, that would never be true. The sudden thought would never be true because it is a divine power in the mind of the poet, and the divine power can't be practiced, so it comes at once and go at once, so it can't be real, or it can't be true. So he rejected on this base that the sudden feeling or the sudden emotion comes in the mind of the poet, so it is not true. The next, he also rejected that poetry affects the emotion, and it tells all about the emotion, not for the reason. It also appeals to the heart and not to the intellectual. The next, he also rejected the poetry on this ground that poetry is non-moral. There is no morality in the poetry. Poetry is based on the uh, you know not on the truthfulness, but it is based on the falsehood, so that there is no good character in the poetry for the society, and it is imitation. Poetry is imitation. Poetry is associated with the painting as per the Plato. So he told that poetry can't be true because it treats both evil and virtue in the same manner, and it can't be possible that the virtues and the vices could be treated in same manners. If it is so, that means poetry is not true. So that is all from my side today. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Do share my videos. Also give your thumbs up to my videos, and also comment the video. Thank you very much for being the part of this video. Thank you.